guys, we're here with Baby Alive Olivia, our other changing time baby that I talked about recently. She is our blonde one, but for some reason her sound isn't as loud as Olivia's sound. I thought I would show you. And then here's this one. Do you see how it's quieter? So I thought I would try to change her batteries today so I can play with her more because she's not very loud. So we'll put Olivia over here. All right. Hopefully all she needs is a new battery. I haven't tried changing it yet, but someone told me in the comments that their baby gets really quiet when it needs a battery change. So I'm hoping that this is going to fix her little problem. I'm going to put her legs down. All right, baby girl. Hold still. I have a little screwdriver set. Here we go. I'm going to unscrew her like this. Okay. She needs 3 AA batteries. So I have a package with just one, so I'll have to use another package too. There's 1 AA, a whole package with more AA's because most Baby Alives do take AA. So hopefully this will do the trick. And it says to fit this way and then this way. All right, guys, we're gonna put her battery pack back on. Cross your fingers. I really hope this helps her talk louder. All right, guys, are you ready to find out? I really hope so. If not, I still love her, but I hope she'll be louder. All right, I'm scared to push her bracelet, but we'll try her. She's still really quiet compared to Olivia. Here, listen to Olivia. See how much louder Olivia is? Listen. I wonder why. This is really weird. They both have a speaker in their belly. See? Oh well, I guess we know it's not the battery at least. Can you hear her okay? She sounds really soft compared to Olivia. Here, we'll get her dressed. I'm going to put her diaper on. They're really cute. These are from Dollar Tree and they smell so good, guys. They're really kind of big for them, but you can roll them down and they're so good. I love them actually. You wouldn't think at Dollar Tree you could get good diapers. I just wish they had smaller sizes, but see how I roll it down? That way it'll fit a little better. And smells good. That diaper smells good. There we go. She's got a diaper. Her sound just sounds muffled, kind of. I don't know why. Does anyone else that has this doll have that problem? Let's put her dress back on. This is actually a Sneck and Sarah dress, but I think it looks cute on her. Well, guys, if any of you have an idea of what I can do to make her sound louder or why it might be doing that, let me know. I don't know what to think. And if you have this doll, is yours quiet or loud, or what does it sound like? And she has like a little place on her face. I'll probably use a magic eraser on that. But what's weird is I bought her brand new. She was still in the package when I got her, but right when I got her out of the package she was already really quiet, so I'm not for sure why. Anyway, I just thought I would do a video trying to fix her. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any ideas. I think she's still